I'm outside. I have the dryer on an air cycle, so I can check the airspeed and check the status of the vent cover, make sure everything is installed properly and working properly. All right, so here is the dryer vent cover. This one is about 8 inches or so from the ground. It's probably why they had this grate cover on it to keep critters out. This grate cover is actually terrible for dryer vents because it's easy for this kind of design to get filled up with lint. You can see how much lint is being thrown outside, right? And if this gets built up with lint, it'll build it all the way back into the vent line, into the dryer, creating that massive fire hazard. It'll affect air quality, dry times, and like I said, the fire hazard. For all of them, I have it running on an air cycle right now, just so it doesn't time out, and so I can check the airspeed on it. And using my anemometer, I was able to get up to about 15 miles an hour. I got 14.7 on that one. It's great airspeed. You want to look between 15 to 20 miles per hour.